Hey, what's up everybody? John from the Lucky Needle, and today I'm here in the garage on a hot summer day sweating, and I'm working on making these floor mats. And as I was doing this, I thought it would be a good chance to show you a little trick that I use when I'm putting binding on carpet. And basically, when you're installing binding on carpet, the nap tends to push and deform and get in your way, and it'll get really bulky, and it'll make the binding not look that nice. So for years, what I always did was I took my scissors and I cut it at an angle like this. But the problem with that is it's never like really super even and consistent. So maybe like a year ago, I figured out this trick, and basically all I do is I have this cheap hair cutter clipper, and I just come in here, I run it along the corner, and it gives a perfect 45 degrees or whatever you want on here. It's really detailed. You can get it really nice and even, and it works super well. So I'll show you that trick right now. There, and you can see how nice of a clean, consistent chamfer that gave to the carpet. And now when we go to sew the binding, you're not going to have a bunch of material folded over getting in your way. So it'll make it a whole lot easier and make your binding a lot more consistent and nice. Basically all I'm doing is I'm getting the bottom of the edge of these blades here right onto the edge of the carpet there, and I'm trying to hold it at a 45 is about what I'm doing. And then you just run it along. And then if there's any spots that you want to get just a little bit more on, you can come in and do a little fine tuning. But you can see how really nice and even and consistent that makes it. So it's going to make your binding look really smooth, really flat, nice and tight, exactly how you want it. It's not going to have any weird bumps or anything in it. So that was just a little trick that I figured out a while back. I've never actually seen anybody do this, so I figured I'd share it with you guys, and hopefully this helps on your next project.